Hello my friend, so here we are directly from PG Admin 4. So today what I've been doing, I mostly work doing some database. So here like we can see here perfect directly with Spring Boot. So I mostly have done different for city, for the country and for the places. So different models, different relationship with between them. So I struggle a bit on those things because I use JPA and I had to understand like how the relationship are working inside of Hibernate and JPA. So that's kind of good. I have something that is functioning that I can search, and I have some services. So everything it's kind of split between models that are linked to the database that really replicate. So here, for example, like you really replicate the database. So we have an ID that is auto-incremented. Here we have cities, places, for example. So cities, if you take like the country, cities and places are relation one to many. So you can get the places directly from the country. So that can be very useful, and it makes the relationship, the relation in SQL for us. So that's good. We still have this model. I don't know if I had it yesterday, but we have this model that allowed us to take the API from Google Map. So if I go to Google Map API, here we have some services. So get the geolocalization of the place. That's very interesting because you can just send the area URL, you get the status. So I have just been somewhere on the link 2, and here I will go check the result that I parse to get everything that I want. So city, country, region, everything is here and is working good. I think I just have something that to be more precise, because there is something that doesn't exist. For example, administrative area level 1, I know that in some cases it doesn't exist. Usually those two, city and country, are existing, quite good, but here it can fuck up a bit my my code. So I need to fix that. That's to do. And if we go to place, so that's the module, and here we have when we send a post request, so that's coming from the Next.js. We are sending it back to, okay, I can remove that also, too much. Yeah, it's sending the content to the machine learning process, and it's getting back the status code and everything, the body, a bit of error on link 2, and it's saving as a location. So here we are in saving location. It's where it will go through every places that there is in our table, and that's perfect. So we can get the localization with the services that I showed you before, and we just have to create country, create city by passing country, and created a place with a city and a country. So with both, and we pass the information that we had on the geolocalization model. So that's perfect. And to show you how it works, I already have some data here. So for example, country, we are in United States, settle, and here are all the places. So with all the location taken from Google Map, and you have some. Oh, there's something that doesn't work. I need to fix that too. We have the addresses, we have the names. That's perfect. It's everything that they need. So that will be displayed directly on the application. There will be for more information for Google Map, and there will be for the precise localization, because I will not use Google Map, I will use OpenStreetMap, which is free, so that's better for me. But I will use the location that I found with Google Map, so that's kind of the best service that exists. So here we are. If for example I have places, I can choose so street art, architecture wonders, and I'm coming in where am I going? Marseille. Perfect. So here we are calling. So it's processing because it's launching the machine learning model. For now there is nothing, just everything's good. But it's a post, there is nothing that's supposed to come out from this. So it's a bit long. So okay, it gives us everything's good, 200. That's a good start. If we go country, we should see France appear. Okay, perfect. We see France. City, we should see just Marseille. Okay, we have more city. That wasn't expected. I need to check why. Nice, message, Haute, Paris. Paris, where I really know why. I think it's okay. So here all the localization. And what did he found? Yeah, he found some things. I think he really confused, but it's a machine learning model because it's working very good. Maybe I put too many things here. If I'm putting, for example, so we have here in cities, that's the thing, yeah, there is 7. He will put user. Perfect. So it's processing again. Yeah, I think the model is not very good. To be honest, it's the one I have in my computer. I wish I can have a good one. My goal is to not use the OpenAI one because it's expensive. Perfect. So country, we still have just United States because it's the same country and it already exists. City, there should be just Houston. 8 and 9. Okay, I think it's confusing a lot, but we can see that it's having Houston and then Laporte. To be honest, I don't know the prompt has been done. And yeah, places, you can see that there is what there is to see in Houston, the zoo, Buffalo, Bayou Park, Space Center Houston. There's a lot of things. That's very cool. I'm really happy because we are starting to have some things that can be used, and yeah, the next steps will be just to profile this to have something a bit better. Like you see, like the cities is confusing, so maybe just refine a bit the prompt, and I will start to continue on this journey, but more on the side of creating the interactions that will be with Next.js. So for example, the carousel that I show you, all the information that Next.js will need, I needed to do it directly from Spring Boot. But from so far, it has been a very good journey, and yeah, I really enjoy working with JPA and Hibernate, which is very cool. I want to understand more. There is some things like here where it's kind of easy, but there is sometimes flags that are more difficult, or it's just to process and to get back to it. So if you like it, don't hesitate to subscribe, to follow me on this path, and I will continue tomorrow. I will give you more news, and cheers.